Welcome to the Tyler's Tools video channel. I thought today we'd take a look at the Veet levelling kit that we've put together for the landscaper. This has become a very popular product. It's a 5mm spacer. It's a screw cap and a white peg and clip that's designed for the 20mm porcelain. What this does is it fits into the joint, screws and brings the bottom and the top of the tile into the same plane. This doesn't take anything away from the skill of the landscaper, it purely holds the tiles in the position that you've set them in. Neither does it pull the tile up, but it pushes the tile down. It avoids lipping and makes for a great, perfect level paving area. So we put everything together in a nice handy bucket so you can store it in the van. I think it's a great product and so do many landscapers who are using it. So this is available on the Tyler's Tools website. If you like what you see today, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you'll be kept up to date with all the new videos that we put out.